Okay, today we're going to finish this pin right here, 3D printed pin. So I designed these blanks in SketchUp and then printed them on my 3D printer. So I just did different designs. And this particular one is just triangles going across. So I'm going to fill each of these cavities with different colors, maybe have, a pair match like that. But let's take them on over there, fill them up with some resin, get that poured, get them drilled out and onto the lathe and see how they turn out. I made these particular 3D molds so that I could use them on these Slimline pens, because if you're going to experiment, you might as well experiment with the cheaper pens and the smaller ones. I like the design, the way this design came out on this particular one. This was the triangle one, and it looks similar to this to start. And it comes out as to some round pieces all the way across there. Now, because of Slimline, it gets rather thin, so you start to see the brass tubing in there on the lighter colors. So if you're going to do this for Slimlines, I'd recommend that you use darker, way darker colors in here, and maybe add a lot of pigment so that you can't see the brass tubing, or paint the inside of the holes once you drilled them out, and that'll prevent you from seeing the tubing. But other than that, this pen looks fantastic. I like the design, the way it comes out. It's nice and easy to do. You just fill in the appropriate areas with the color that you want, turn it, and you're done. Very little finishing afterwards once you get done with the sanding. So that's the first of our 3D pens. In the next couple videos, you're going to see some more designs, and we'll see how they turn out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.